37 Haitians who came to the island by boat were allowed to stay in Jamaica for a year on humanitarian grounds. After a year, each case will be reviewed. They need sponsors, so for everyone who supported the idea of not sending them back to Haiti, now is your chance to step up. The Haitians really need sponsors to help them because the government can't. For those who supported the decision not to deport them back to Haiti, this is indeed an opportunity to provide tangible support through sponsorship. Sponsorship would involve providing financial assistance, accommodation, employment opportunities, or other forms of support to help the Haitians integrate into Jamaican society while their cases are being reviewed. Given that the Jamaican government has limited resources, community support, and private sponsorship are essential for ensuring that these individuals receive the necessary help during their stay. This is a chance for those who believe in supporting refugees and migrants to step forward and make a real difference in the lives of these individuals, aligning actions with their advocacy.